your pills.
But why do I always have to take those pills? I hate it.
Sugar, you have to take the pills so that you move less, cry less, and ask less questions. So that you can pay attention at school and become a hard-working citizen. Then, Mommy has more time for beauty treatments so that Daddy finds her beautiful. And if he likes her, he will like to take care for her. He would like to work more and give her more money so that she can buy beautiful things, lots of things that she wants. And so, Mommy can support the world economy. So, if you don't take your pills, then the world economy will collapse.
Well, I guess you're right.
Bravo.